Okay, so let's proceed about quality and physical test of asphalt cement. Okay, so ito yung pang-apat na test na i-discuss natin. It is about spot test. So, okay, so spot test, ginagawa natin tong test na to to determine if asphalt is overheated during production. Okay, so yung aparatos na gagamitin natin, dapat gamitin natin sa pag-conduct ng test na to is Florence flask, filter paper, pipette, or burette. And then balance or yung weighing scale. So other term ng balance is weighing scale. Then 25% xylene heptane solution. Okay? So, okay. So unang step is weigh 2 grams of heated sample in a Florence flask. Okay? So, if you remember your laboratory, okay, ito yung Florence flask. So, ibuhos mo dyan. Yan yung forma niya. And then, pour 10 ml of solvent. So, yung solvent mo is composed 25% of xylene heptane solution in the Florence flask. Okay? Then, swirl the flask to dissolve the sample with the aid of boiling bath. Okay? So, okay, yun yung ang ginagawa niya is actually yung inipit niya yung flask. Ito yung Florence flask, nandun yung asphalt mo, okay? Swirl. Pag sinabi mong swirl is yung parang inikot-ikot diyan. Parang nagluluto ka, okay? Inikot-ikot dyan, oh. Okay? In boiling water bath, okay? So, dapat kumukulo to, okay? So, maybe walang apoy dito sa baba. Pasensya na. So, yung nagkakandak kuno ng test is hindi niya siniga itong hindi siya nagsiga ng apoy. Pero dapat may apoy yan. Okay? O maliban na lang kung kumukulo na itong tubig na to. So pag kumukulo siya, dyan mo i-swirl yung flask mo sa boiling water bath. So the process is repeated until complete dispersion has taken place. Okay? Hanggang sa makomplete yung dispersion. Then cool the asphalt solvent mixture at room temperature for 30 minutes. Then palamigin mo siya ng 30 minutes. Then warm again for 15 minutes in a bath at 32 degrees centigrade. Or yung water bath mo during that time is at room temperature na. Okay? So, repeated mo yung process mo hanggang sa mag-disperse siya. Okay? So, then drop a warm mixtures are placed on filter paper. Okay? Examine the drop after 5 minutes. If the drop forms a brown or yellowish-brown circular stain with a darker solid or annular nucleus in the center, the test shall be reported as positive. Okay? Magiging positive ka, hindi positive sa COVID Magiging positive yung spot test mo kapag brown or yellowish-brown circular stain yung nabuo. But if other than that, kung uniformly brown circular stain siya, okay? But if the drop forms a uniformly brown circular stains, repeat placing the drop on another filter paper the following day. Okay, sa sunod na araw. Then, if it forms the same uniformly brown circular stain, then report it negative. Okay? So, yan. Dalawang trials yan. Yung unang, so, okay? So, after 5 minutes, di ba, lutong-luto na yung asphalt mo. Inulit-ulit mo siya hanggang sa halos wala nang matira sa loob, konti na lang. Then, dinwrap mo. So, meron kang brown or yellowish-brown na strain. Positive siya. Okay? Ibig sabihin, hindi okay. Ibig sabihin, okay lang yung pagkaluto ng asphalt mo. Kapag brown circular stain lang siya, hindi siya nag-yellow, brown sa in the first day, okay? Then sa second, in the next day, ipinlace mo doon sa filter paper again, ganun pa rin, brown circular stain, ibig sabihin negative siya. Okay? O, negative. But if it drops a solid annular nucleus, then repeat as a positive. So, meron kang dalawang trials dyan. Kung sa unang test is nag-yellow ka agad, positive siya. Pero, pag pag unang test brown siya, then sa ikalawang proseso, okay, inirepeat mo yung doon sa, okay, ito na ano, then sa pangalawang pagkakataon, then yung nangyari is, ano ba yan eh? Then nangyari is, nag-yellowish siya sa ikalawang trial, so positive pa rin, okay? So, okay, i-repeat natin yung spot test para hindi tayo malito. Okay, repeat natin. Yun, okay, so, una, nag-weigh tayo ng heated sample sa Florence flask. Then, pangalawa, nag-pour tayo ng solvent. Okay? In the Florence flask pa rin. Yung solvent natin is 25% silane heptane solution. Then, yung third natin is sinwirl natin. Okay? Pinaikot-ikot natin using crucible tong and Florence flask sa boiling water bath. Okay? Until mag-complete merong dispersion na mangyari doon sa asphalt mo. Then, so, pagkatapos nun, i-cool natin siya at room temperature for 30 minutes. Then, i-warm mo uli. Then, i-water bath mo ng 32 degrees. Then, after that, ito na yon, i-drop mo na. Okay? I-drop mo na yung natira doon sa flask na asphalt. So, pag first, okay? So, meron kang dalawang trials. So, para maging positive, dapat brown or yellowish brown circular stain ang makita mo, okay? Brown circular stain. Ibig sabihin, pabilog, okay? Brown or yellowish brown circular stain para masabi mong positive. Pero kapag uniformly brown circular stain lang, okay? Hindi pa bilog, uniformly brown, parang siya yung hindi siya circle yung nabuo, negative siya, okay? Pero gawin mo to ng dalawang beses, okay? Ito yung ibig sabihin niya, gawin mo to ng dalawang beses. So hindi ibig sabihin na uniformly brown circular stain siya instead of brown or yellowish brown circular stain. Para maging positive, hindi mo siya agad sabihin na negative siya. Try mo ulit the next day, okay? The following day. At kapag hindi pa rin, brown circular stain pa rin, negative na siya. Pero pag nabuo na tong brown or yellowish brown circular stain, positive siya, okay? So, yan yung spot test. Then again, we have flashpoint. Okay? So, ito yung mga pamamaraan ng, okay? This is another test. So, flashpoint, yun yung aparatos natin is Cleveland open cup and thermometer. Okay? So, yung unang step natin is fill the cup. Yung Cleveland cup, ito yun, no? Ito yung Cleveland cup. Fill the cup with heated sample. Then, second is place the cup in the heater. Apply heat until the temperature of the sample reaches 28 degrees Celsius below the flash point. Okay? Okay. So, yung flash point, meron siyang temperature niyan. Depende sa type ng asphalt mo. Okay? Depende yan. So, yung flash point mo, depende sa asphalt cement na gamit mo, o yung asphalt, minusan mo ng 28 degrees. Dapat umabot doon yung temperature ng pag-init mo. Okay? So then, Then pass the test flame across the center of the cup. Then record as the observed flash point of the temperature when a flash appears at any point on the surface sample. So ano ba yung flash? Yung parang nag-iilaw, okay? And then, so yun. So ulitin natin yung flashpoint test. So ito yung una. Gumamit ka ng Cleveland open cup, then thermometer, okay? So fill the cup with the heated sample, yung unang step. Then letter B is place the cup in the heater. Apply heat until the temperature of the sample reaches at least 28 degrees below the flash point. Okay? Yan. Minusan mo yung listed flash point niya by 28 degrees. And then, pass the test flame across the center of the cup. Ibig sabihin, okay? So, okay? So, yan. I-record mo. Lagyan mo. Okay? Record as the observed flash point. Okay? Yan, meron kang test flame dyan. Okay? Magbubuga yan ng apoy. Okay? So, yung temperature niya, i-record mo. Yun na yung flash point niya. Okay? So, ito. 6 test. Ito yung ductility. Okay? So, when we say of ductility, it measures the ability of asphalt to stretch without breaking. Okay? So, yung equipment na gamitin natin is ductility machine. So, ito yung ductility machine class. Okay? So, unang gagawin natin is, okay, ito pala yung mga gamit. So, unang aparatos natin is ductility machine. Ito, ductility molds or base plate. And base plate. Ang base plate, ito yung nasa ibaba. At yung ductility mold, ito. Itong parang may bibig, okay? So, yung base plate mo is dapat made of brass, okay? Hindi steel. Yung brass, yun ibang mixture yun ng steel yata at saka copper. Yan yata yung brass, okay? So, then, okay? So, yun yung, okay, ulitin natin, ito yung mga aparatos or equipment natin, ductility machine, and then, ductility molds. Then, yung procedure natin is pour the heated sample in the prepared mold until it is level full. Anong ibig sabihin ng level full? Okay? Puno na siya. Hanggang dito na level. Okay, punong po. Then, cool the sample mold for at least 30 minutes and then place the mold in the water bath. Okay? So, eto, di ba, ininit. Okay? So, yung A natin is heated sample. Okay? Yung nainit na sample, ilagay mo sa mold, then at i-cool mo. Okay? I-cool mo muna bago mo, na for 30 minutes, bago mo ibabad sa water bath. So, ito, may water bath pa rin. So, and ang tubig dapat maintain siya at temperature of 25 degrees pa rin for 85 to 95 minutes. Okay? Or 3 hours plus minus 5 minutes. Okay? 3 hours plus minus, 1.5 hours pala. 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours plus minus 5 minutes. Or 90 plus minus 5 minutes. Ganon. Okay? Then is remove the briquet from the plate. Okay? Ito. I-remove mo yung briquet and then detach the side pieces and attach the clips to the pins hooks. Okay? So, yung ductility mo is nakalimutan ko yung ito, yung ductility machine natin, meron siyang dalawang platform dyan na pwede mong okay? Na kumbaga meron siyang platform na pwedeng hilahin doon magkabila, okay? So, pag ni-remove mo yung briquet, part yan ng ductility machine mo. Then, may pins at hooks of the testing machine with a bath of maintain at 25 degrees. Then, i-pull natin yung clips, clips pa lang tawag dito, clips, itong dalawang to, ng 5 cm per minute. Okay? 5 cm per minute yung speed niya. And then, okay? So, pagkatapos nun, i-measure mo yung displacement niya. Yung ito. I-measure mo yan horizontally. Record the distance through which the clips have been pulled to produce rupture. Okay? So, hanggang sa maputol to, i-measure mo yung ano niya, yung horizontal distance niya nung yung ito dito sa gitna. So, ayan. So, yan yung, ang measurement mo is in centimeter or millimeter. Yun na yung ductility mo. Okay? So, okay. So, yung mga nauna, yung 1 to 6 natin is about yun sa emulsified asphalt. Dito naman, yung quality test naman natin para kay cutback asphalt. Okay? So, this same, meron ding specific gravity. Just like emulsified asphalt, mini-measure din natin yung specific gravity niya. Okay? So, okay, ganun pa rin, weigh the picnometer with water, and weigh the picnometer filled with sample. Okay? Yung result nito, ito yung gamitin mo. Okay? Medyo iba yung formula niya doon sa emulsified asphalt. Okay? So, pag-measure ng specific gravity. So, ayan, ito yung picnometer at ito yung weighing scale or balance. Sundin mo lang yan, i-record mo lang yung weight ng picnometer with water, and weight of picnometer with the sample. Okay? So, hindi na natin, unlike doon, okay? Okay? So, same lang doon sa asphalt cement or emulsified asphalt. So, yan, C minus A over B minus A. Okay? So, ito naman, ito yung kinematic viscosity. Okay? So, sa sinabi ko na it measures the resistance of asphalt to flow. Okay? Kinematic viscosity. Okay? So, familiar ba sa inyo itong kinematic? Diba? Kinematic is parang dynamics. Sa dynamics yan. Okay? Meron tayong kinematics. Okay? Viscosity. Again, yung gamitin natin na equipment at aparatos is viscometer. Okay? Ito, another aparatos na naman. Okay? Speaking of your assignment, ito yung mga sagot. Okay? Kung nagbabasa kayo, makita nyo ito. Water bath and then thermometer. Yan. Then, okay, so first step is mount the viscometer in the bath maintain at 60 degrees. Okay. Yan. I-mount mo yung viscometer dyan. Then, mix the sample thoroughly and measure at 20 ml representative sample. Okay? Ilagay mo dyan dun sa flask. Okay? Ito yung viscometer, ha? And then, next is introduce sample through the big tube into the cross arm until the leading edge stands within 0.5 ml of the fill mark. Okay? So, ito yung big tube. Oh. Into the cross arm. Okay? Until the ledge edge stands within 0.5 ml of the fill mark. Ayan. Meron tong measurement. So, lagyan mo until 0.5 ml na lang yung natira. So, hindi yung punong-puno talaga. So, okay. Then, okay. Next is D. Allow the charged viscometer to remain in the bath. Okay, yan, no? Remain in the bath for around 10 minutes. Okay. To attain temperature equilibrium. Yan. Kasi itong viscometer nakapatong yan. Ito yung bath. Okay. Then, start the flow of asphalt in the viscometer by applying pressure to the big tube or slight vacuum to the small tube. Okay? Dalawa. So, okay? pwede ka mag-apply ng pressure doon sa big tube, okay? So meron yang parang ano ba, yung parang sa blood pressure, 'di ba? Okay? So if naranasan niyo nang magpakuha ng dugo, meron din siyang parang soft dito, okay? Para makapag-apply ka ng pressure dito sa ano, big tube, i-press mo lang siya ng i-press, parang ganyan, no? Ganyan. So, or slight vacuum. So, pwede rin ka rin mag-vacuum doon sa small tube. Nasa na yung small tube. But dito, sa picture na to, yung ginamit niya, nag-apply sa doon sa big tube until gravity flow is initiated. So mag-apply ka hanggang sa, ano, parang tumulo na yung asphalt mo. Okay? So, kasi, kapag hindi ka nag-apply ng pressure, parang solid lang yung asphalt mo. Yung parang hindi siya gumagalaw. Pag nag-start na siyang gumalaw, doon ka na hihinto. Okay? Mag-apply ng pressure. And after that, record the time required for the leading edge of the meniscus to pass the first timing mark of the seconds. Okay? So, ganun. So, i-record mo yon kung ilang oras bago siya nag-flow. Okay? Then, i-measure mo, so viscosity at 60 degrees centigrade is equivalent to time in seconds times calibration constant of viscometer in 6 centistokes per second. Okay? So, itong calibration constant of viscometer in centistokes per second, given na to. Okay? So, hindi nyo to dapat problema. So kapag, okay? So, kapag nagte-test kayo nito ng viscosity test, meron na tong calibration constant, yung viscometer mo. Okay? Para ma-compute mo yung viscosity. Okay? So, then, another one is distillation. Okay? Number 2. Okay? So, it determines the asphalt content of liquid asphalt. Okay? So, through distillation is malalaman natin kung ilang porsyento, okay? Ilang porsyento ng asphalt mo ang liquid. Okay? So, yung apparatus mo, marami na naman, no? 7 lang yung hiningi ko doon sa assignment nyo. Pero marami dito. Distilling flask, condenser, adapter, shield and flask support, heat source or Bunsen burner, graduated cylinder, okay? Thermometer and balance. Oh, lahat ng to is kung nakinig kayo ng maayos sa chemistry teacher mo, dapat familiar na to sa inyo. Kung papasok kayo sa laboratory, dapat familiar na to sa inyo ng mga equipment. So, ganun din ang ginagamit para sa testing of asphalt. Okay? So, unang gagawin, weigh in a 500 ml flask the mass of 200 ml of sample calculated based from specific gravity of the material. Okay? So, ito yung flask. Okay? Na yung volume ng flask mo is 500 ml. Okay? Dapat 500 ml. Then, the mass of 200, ang ilalagay mo na sample is 200 ml. Yung sample ng liquid mo ay ng liquid cutback asphalt mo. Okay? Based on the specific gravity of material. Okay? 200 ml. Okay? So, dapat computed nyo na yung specific gravity ng material bago kayo maka-perform nitong distillation. Okay? So, then, place the flask in the shield supported by wire gauze or ring tripod. So, yan yung tripod. Okay? Ilagay mo dyan yung flask. Dapat supported siya. No? Bakit? Pag hindi yan supported, baka pumunta yan sa inyo, baka ma-damage pa yung mga skin ninyo, no? Dahil mainit yung asphalt na yan. So, kaya dapat ilagay mo dyan siya sa tripod na hindi siya, okay, dapat hindi ganito pagkalagay, mali ito. Dapat protektado siya, dapat hindi siya naka-incline. Dahil delikado, baka matumilapon yan sa inyo. Sayang yung beauty ng hands nyo. Okay? So and then assemble the distillation apparatus. So ganito yung distillation apparatus. Okay? Para ka lang nagdi-distill ng tubig. Pero yung ito, asphalt lang yung gamit natin. Okay? So yan yung mga picture natin. Okay? Then pass cold water through the condenser jacket. So apply heat to the distilling flask. Then okay, record the volume of distillate starting from 225 degrees centigrade, 260 degrees centigrade, and 315 degrees centigrade. So, i-measure mo yung volume. Pag umabot na dito yung temperature, pag umabot na yung dito yung temperature, at panghuli ito yung temperature. So, yan. Then F, when the temperatures reach 360 degrees, extinguish the flame. Okay? Extinguish. Ibig sabihin, patayin mo na yung apoy, and then, i-remove mo na yung flask at saka yung thermometer. So malaman mo yung temperature kasi may thermometer naman. So, dapat yung thermometer mo, hindi yung thermometer na gamit mo sa body temperature. Baka sumabog yun. Okay? Hindi na yun kaya yung kwan. So, ibang temperature thermometer ang gamit dito kasi pwedeng umabot ng 480 yata, 480 degrees centigrade. Ito, 360 lang. So, pag nagkakandak ng test, hindi yung temperature na ilalagay sa ilalim ng dila o sa kilikili yung ginagamit. So, ibang temperature yun. So, ito, maybe hindi mercury temperature, if possible, hindi mercury thermometer yung ginagamit dito. Ano ba yun yung, ewan ko, nakalimutan ko na. So research na lang. So, immediately pour the contents of the flask in the residue container. So, ilagay mo yung, pagkatapos ma-extinguish yung flame, ilagay mo dyan sa residue container. Then, record the total volume of distillate collected at 360 degrees. Okay? So, from that time, okay, na-record mo na yung volume ng distillate. Ito yung tubig, okay? Humiwalay na yung tubig. So, ibig sabihin, okay, ito yung residue percent by volume. Dapat may equals to eh. Equals volume of original sample minus total volume of distillate. Yung volume of distillate mo, yun yung tubig na humiwalay, okay? I-minus mo mula sa original sample, then over volume of original sample, then i-multiply mo ulit by 100 para makuha mo in 100%, okay? Yan. Then, yan yung residue percent mo by volume, okay? So, dito, makikita mo yung by test of residue, yung penetration, ductility, solubility, at spot, okay? So, nakuha na natin yung percent residue by volume, residue percent by volume. So, then, ito naman yung ikakandak natin sa test on residue, okay? Under pa rin ng cutback asphalt, okay? So, okay? So, the next is flashpoint, okay? So, ganun pa rin. Okay? Meron pa rin siyang flashpoint. So, similar pa rin siya doon sa emulsified asphalt, okay? So, okay? Pour sample into the glass. Okay, ganun pa rin. Medyo iba lang yung gamit. Meron kang tag, open cup, okay? Another apparatus. Then, thermometer. So, not the ordinary thermometer. Yung makaka-measure ng mataas na temperature. More than boiling water, okay? So, pour sample into the glass container. Then, place the glass container in the water bath. And attach the thermometer to the heater. Okay? Yan yung B. Okay? So, then, start heating the water bath with glass-filled container. Filled with sample. Okay? Plus a test flame. Okay? Test flame across. Okay? The center of the cup. Okay? Ganun pa rin doon sa emulsified eh. Pareho lang sila. Then, record the observed flashpoint of temperature reading. Okay? So, i-observe mo kung kailan nag-flashpoint sa yung parang umilaw siya. Yung temperature reading niya, yun na yung yun na yung flashpoint mo. Okay? In degree centigrade. Okay? So, meron, okay? So, yan. Meron tayong viscosity, Savolt. Then, ito yung gamit mo na equipment, apparatus, Savolt, viscometer, and bat, receiving flask, then 100, sieve 100, and then thermometer. Okay? So, meron pa rin, no? May viscosity pa rin, no? To measure viscosity pa rin to. Then, okay, so stir, sample, thoroughly, and pour. Okay, so I would like to, so medyo na nalimutan to, emulsified sa emulsified asphalt to. Okay, so stir the sample through and pour into 100 ml. Okay, same pa rin. So, place the flask in water at 25 degrees for 30 minutes. So, yung water bath mo, paulit-ulit lang, 25 degrees. Then, place the cork stopper. Yan yung cork stopper. In position and pour the sample into viscometer through the number 20 sieve. Okay? So, yan. Okay? Number 20 sieve. So, parang salaan. Meron kasi yung iba't ibang measurement ng salaan. So, maybe next time, i-discuss natin yan. Ano yung mga iba't ibang measurements ng sieve na ginagamit sa construction, no? Merong sieve para sa aggregates. Usually yung sieve is ginagamit yan sa aggregates, whether fine and coarse aggregates. So, okay, medyo adlib na ako. Okay, so basahin nyo na lang. Okay, pwede nyo i-stop to kasi video to nang sa ganun is makuha nyo yung kwan. So, if ever nalilito kayo dahil sa explanation ko, pwede nyo namang i-mute. Okay, pwede nyo i-mute, then basahin nyo na lang. Okay, so place a 60 cc receiving flask under the outlet tube. Okay, snap the cork at the same time starting the timer. So, may timer ka pa rin. Okay, so stop the timer the moment the lower meniscus, okay, yung lower meniscus of the flask reaches 60 cc mark. Okay? So, meron yang point dyan na aabot sa ng 60 cc. Okay? So, ano ba itong 60 cc, sir? May mga measurement dyan. Meron dang 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Pag umabot na sa ng 60 cc mark, i-record mo yung time na nag-pass mula dito. Okay? Mula dyan. Then, yan. Pag na-record mo na, yan na yung ma-measure mo na yung viscosity niya. Okay? Using again the formula doon sa viscosity test, doon sa cutback. Okay? Cutback cement mo. Tulad din ng cutback cement mo. Okay? So then, ito sieve test. Okay? So, we have sieve test to determine the presence of larger globules of asphalt in the emulsion. Okay? So, yung gagamitin nating sieve is sieve number 20, pan, sodium oleate solution, okay? Or distilled water. Okay? Kung wala kang sodium oleate solution, pwede ng distilled water. Okay? You can use either of them and then balance or weighing scale. Okay? So, unang step, record the mass plus sieve and pan. Then, weigh 100 grams of the emulsified asphalt. Okay? Speaking of emulsified asphalt, okay, into a suitable container. Yan. So, depende yan. Dapat yung timbang niya is aabot ng 100 grams o 1 kilo. Lagay mo dyan sa malaking container. So, usually, mas heavy to siya. Mas heavy itong asphalt compared sa water. So, yung 100 grams na tubig is equivalent to 1 liter of water. Pero itong asphalt, mabigat yan. Usually, ewan ko, mga 2 or 3 times yata na mas heavy siya compared sa tubig. Kaya, pwede lang itong ganitong flask na malaki. Okay, dapat may graduation siya. Meron siyang measurement para makita mo yung measurement niya. Okay? So, then pour the sample to sieve 20. Okay? So, hayaan mo na may matilapon. So, wash the container and residue until the wash water is clear. Okay? Yan. Okay? So, kasi sieve siya, merong merong masasala na mga bato-bato dyan kasi hindi yan purong likido. Kung purong likido yung emulsified asphalt mo, ibig sabihin magpapasa lahat, pero hindi. So after that, hayaan mo lang na may lumabas diyan, may lumabas, and then pagkatapos niyan, i-wash out mo yung natira, okay? Buhusan mo ng tubig, okay? So beware lang, dapat palamigin niyo muna yung yung asphalt niyo, okay? Ay noon, yung mainit, dapat hindi siya mainit. Okay? Para hindi kayo mapaso. O then apply niyo, gawin niyo tong step C at step D, okay? So pagkatapos na napas yung yung asphalt, so may natira diyan sa ibabaw ng container. So yung natira dyan, lagyan mo ng tubig ay okay, ilagay mo dyan under sa running water, then yan na yung residue na matitira, okay? So then again, place the pan under the sieve, okay? Place the pan under the sieve and oven dry for 2 hours. So yan. So, yung mga residues na natira sa itaas, yung mga solid particles, ilagay mo siya, yung nasa sieve, ilagay mo dyan dun sa pan. Okay? Sieve 2, lagay mo dyan sa pan. Then, ilagay mo dyan sa, oven. So, lutuin mo siya in 110 degrees for 2 hours. Then, cool and weigh. Then, yan. Yung sample retain mo is equal to weight of residue divide 1,000. Okay? Kasi 1,000 liters yung ginamit natin na asphalt. Kaya ganun, 1,000. So, kapag hindi umabot ng 1,000 yung ginamit mo, for example, 100 or 200, yun yung ilagay mo instead of 1,000. Okay? So, weight residue over 1,000 ml na original niya na volume ng asphalt, i-times mo sa 1,000, 100, yun yung sample retained in percent mo. Okay? Next is, okay, cement mixing. Okay? So, ito yung mga aparatus mo. Okay? So, cement mixing determines the resistance of the emulsion to break down on the job. So, it indicates the rate at which the emulsion will break when mixed with aggregates. So, yung aparatus na gagamitin mo is sieves number 80 and 14. Then, yung dish or watch glass, steering rod, graduated cylinder, balance, cement, and oven. Okay? So, baka magtaka kayo, bakit may cement, sir? Di, asphalt man to. Okay? Yung cement na gagamitin natin is asphalt cement. So may malaking kaibahan si asphalt cement. Cement din yun kapag powder yung asphalt mo. Asphalt cement yun. At iba din yung Portland cement kasi concrete yung na-produce nun. Okay? Huwag kayong malito. So so dilute the emulsion with distilled water to a residue of 55% as determined by distillation test. So okay, ganyan. So yung percent residue mo, for example, is equals to 58, okay? So na-compute mo doon sa una, okay? Dapat meron yung may prior ka na dapat na computation ng residue doon sa naunang test natin, okay? If naalala nyo pa, okay? Then 58, so okay? So i-divide, so yung okay? So i-divide mo 55 divide 58, okay? So, constant tong 55, Yung 58, nagbabago. Divide 58, i-times mo sa 1,000. So, yan yung magiging, yung kailangan mo na milliliters of sample, okay? So, for 100 ml solution, okay? I-minus mo siya, yung makompute mo dito mula sa 100, para makita mo yung ml of water for dilution. So, 5 mm yung nakompute mo. So, then again, step C, sieve 50 grams of Portland cement. Okay? So, This time, Portland cement yata yung, okay, sorry. Portland cement yung ginamit at hindi asphalt cement. Through number 80 save, okay? Then, yan. Yan yung sieve number 80. Okay? Yan yung sieve. Then, measure a 100 ml solution with computed proportion. Okay? May graduation yan. So, dapat alam mo kung saan dito, banda dito aabot ng 100 ml. So, i-measure mo. And then, step E, add the diluted solution to the 50 grams cement. Okay? And then, stir the mixture at once with the steel rod using a circular motion at a rate of 60 revolution per minute. Okay? RPM means revolution per minute. Okay, yan. Then, at the end of 1 minute mixing period, add 150 ml of distilled water and continue stirring for 3 minutes. Okay? So, pagkatapos ng 1 minute na pag-mix, orasan nyo, okay? Mag-add ka ng 150 ml of distilled water. Pero, actually, meron pa. Pwede itong yung isa, yung sodium, ayun yun, mali kung wala, okay? Mas preferred yun. Pero kung wala yun, distilled water ang lalagay mo. Then, continue stirring for 3 minutes. Then, H, weigh the number 14 sieve with a pan or watch glass. Yan. So, this is a separate experiment. Okay, tabi mo muna yan. So, ito yung gawin mo. H, i-weight mo yung pan. Then, pour the mixture through a weighed number 14 sieve. So, just like the previous test, i-sieve mo lang dyan, okay? Ilagay mo yan, ilagay mo yung asphalt dito, siyempre, kasi may butas yan, kasi sieve, may lalagpas, at then may maiiwan. So, yung maiiwan, okay, lagyan mo ng tubig, i-pour mo, mag-pour ka ng running water, hanggang sa nawala na yung mga liquid residues dyan, yung maltira na lang yung mga solid. Yun yung, semi-solid na matibay, yung ayaw matanggal. Okay? So, rinse the sieve using distilled water. Okay? Dito, galing sa galing sa gripo. Then, held at a height of approximately 6 inches. So, yan yung 6 inches mo dyan. Okay? Until water is clear. Hanggang sa, wala ka nang So, ibig sabihin, pag clear na yung water, ibig sabihin, wala nang residues na natira. Wala nang liquid residues na natira mula dito sa sieve 14. Okay? Then, lastly, place the sieve in the weighed watch glass or shallow pan. Okay? Ito, ilagay mo dyan sa any types of pan na pwedeng initin. And then, so, initin mo ng 163 degrees. So, the cement mixing niya in percent is amount of residue divide 100 times 100. Bakit 100? Kasi yung ginamit natin na original na quantity is 100 ml ng ml. Okay? 100 ml, di ba? Natatandaan nyo? Unlike nung previous 1,000. Pwede rin 200 yung gamitin nyo. Okay? 200 ml yung gamitin nyo. Okay? So, if 200 to, may corresponding amount of residue din siya. Okay? Anyway. Okay? So, let's proceed. Ito naman yung another quality test for emulsified asphalt. So, let's have storage stability. Okay? It detect the tendency of the asphalt globules in the emulsion to settle during storage. Okay? So, it measures the permanence of dispersion as related to time. Okay? So, ang apparatus and materials na gagamitin natin is dalawang 500 ml cylinders. Then, glass pipette. Okay? So, naalala nyo pa ba yung pipette sa chemistry laboratory nyo? No? Then, balance or weighing scale, then beakers. Yan. Beakers or 100 ml cup. Then, oven. Okay? So, first step, place a 500 ml. Okay? Take note of take note of your suggested volume. Okay? 500 ml ng sample. And then, this sample, wag niyong kalimutan, ito yon yung emulsified asphalt to a glass cylinder. Then, letter B, stop the cylinder and allow to stand undisturbed. Okay, sorry, stop to the cylinder and allow to stand undisturbed at laboratory. Okay? Laboratory air temperature for 24 hours. Okay? So, remove approximately 55 ml from the top of the emulsion by means of pipette. Okay? So, then, weigh 50 grams into the previous weigh beaker with a 7 inches glass rod inside the watch glass. Then, take the total weight of the beaker. Then, siphon off the next 390 ml from the cylinder without any disturbance to the bottom sample. So, okay, kayo na lang magbasa niya. Hindi na nalagyan ng ng pictures. So, then, ito yon, mix the emulsion remaining in the cylinder and weigh 50 grams into previously weighed beaker. Okay? Then, take total weight of the beaker. Then again, heat the two beakers containing the top and bottom sample water and then transport in an oven. So, initin mo siya sa oven for 160 degrees. Cool and weigh. And then, yung weight niya dapat i-record mo din. Pagkatapos niyan, yung J, so the numerical difference in the asphalt contents of the top and bottom samples represents the storage stability of emulsion. Okay? So, ano yung na-measure mo? Dalawa man yan. Yung sa taas at sa bottom na beaker, i-minus mo yun yung storage stability of emulsion mo. Okay? So, we have determination of residue by evaporation. Okay? So, determines the asphalt content of liquid asphalt. So, same lang din, no? Inulit lang. So, meron yata din tong edition kay Cutback asphalt. Okay? So, meron tayong mga aparatos. Medyo iba lang. Merong iron steel, heat source, and thermometer. Yan. Yan yung iron steel. Oh, yan yung iron steel ha, yung parang yung okay? So weigh iron steel empty. Then pour 200 grams. So okay, iba na naman 200 grams na naman yung gamit niya. Sample in the iron steel. Okay? Then heat the iron steel with sample until all water has evaporated. So itong iron steel mo sa second step is initin mo. Hanggang 260 degrees for approximately 15 minutes. So, extinguish the flame and weigh the iron steel with residue. Okay? So, pagkatapos mong initin, patayin mo na daw yung apoy and then, i-weigh mo yung iron steel na may kasamang residue. Okay? So, yan yung, okay, immediately pour the contents of the iron steel into the residue container. Kasi emulsified asphalt to, yung matitira na lang is yung mga solid parts niya. Okay? So, yung percent residue mo is equal to weight residue over 200. Kasi 200 ml yung ginamit nating sample. Okay? Multiply mo by 100. Okay? Yan. So, okay? So, meron din kay yung ibang test on residue, yung penetration, ductility, at saka yung solubility, parehas lang yung mga gamit at pamamaraan niya doon kay asphalt cement. Yung pinakauna nating, di ba? Yung una is asphalt cement, next is cutback asphalt, at yung lately is yung emulsified asphalt. Okay? Okay? So for bituminous mixture, so we will continue in the next part 3 ng ating lecture. Okay?